Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install YSX Nordics game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser, just search for the Steam website. Once you search for it, open it. Then just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Here simply sign into your account, guys. If you don't have an account, then just scroll down, just create account on Steam, and this is very simple and easy. So once you created the account, then just click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top, and guys, here simply download the Steam and install it on your PC. And this is also very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and click on the top search box and just type in the game name, which is the YSX, which is the Nordics. Now this game appear on the top, so open up this game. Now once you open up this YX game, now here just scroll down, guys, scroll down. You will see the option of add to cart. So if you want to download and play this game demo version, then click on the add to library option. Now click on the OK. If you want to download and play the original game, click on the add to cart option, click on the view my cart option, and click on this option of continued payment, and just pay with the PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, now game was added to Steam library. Just go to the library of your Steam, and on the left hand side just find this YSX Nordics game. Click on that. Now this is the demo version of this game. Then just click on install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.